As we begin a new lunar year, let me ask you something. Do you know how to say Happy Lunar New Year in Chinese? And do you know the difference between 新年快乐 and 春节快乐? Today we will learn these phrases slowly, clearly, and use them in real sentences. We will also review the word 节日 and the four seasons 春夏秋冬 and learn how to talk about the new year, the year of the horse, 马年. Let's begin. First, listen. 新年快乐，新年快乐. So in my earlier video when I taught how to say Merry Christmas, 圣诞节快乐 and Happy New Year 2026, that was 新年快乐. So again, 新年快乐. This means Happy New Year. 新 is new, 年 is year, 快乐 happy. 我很快乐 I'm very happy. So literally it means New Year happy. 新年快乐. And you also saw 圣诞节快乐 Merry Christmas. Now listen to this new phrase. 春节快乐，春节快乐。春节 means spring festival. So the Chinese New Year or the Lunar New Year is in spring. It's a spring festival. 春节, that spring festival or spring celebration. So the Lunar New Year celebration. So what is the difference? 新年快乐 can be used for January 1st, the Western New Year, and also the Lunar New Year, because 春节快乐 is specifically for the Lunar New Year, the spring festival. It is the new year for the East Asian countries like China and South Korea. Now let's look at the word 节日. 节 is season. 日 is day. So 节日 is festival day or holiday. 春节 is a 节日. So 春节 is a festival. It's a holiday. Christmas is also a 节日. 圣诞节 so Christmas. Now let's review something very beautiful in Chinese, the four seasons. 春夏秋冬. So that is spring, summer, autumn, winter. So we have 春节, which is called the Spring Festival because it marks the beginning of spring in the traditional Chinese calendar. And then you have Mid-Autumn Festival. So that is 中秋节. 中秋节 is another 节日, is another festival. 中 is mid, 秋 is autumn, and 节 is festival. So say it quickly. 春节快乐 Happy Spring Festival. 中秋节 a bit longer. 中秋节 Mid-Autumn Festival. That's sometimes in August. Now let's revise how to wish someone. 祝你 wish you. 我祝你 春节快乐 That's it. 3 words. 我祝你 Then 春节快乐 And 我祝你新年快乐我祝你新年快乐 I wish you a happy new year. Now let's talk about the zodiac year. If this is the year of the horse, we say 马年. Ma means horse, 年 means year. So if someone asks you, 今年是什么年? 今年 this year 是什么年? 今年是什么年? What year is this? you can answer 今年是马年。今年是马年。This is the year of the horse. 马年。Now let's learn a simple idiom, very popular idiom. 马 horse, 马到功成。马到功成。马 horse, 到 is arrive, 功 is achievement, 成 is succeed. So it means success comes quickly, like a horse arriving fast, and victory is already achieved. You can also say 我祝你马到功成. That is wishing you a quick success, especially at the start of the Chinese New Year. I will also start a series on basic Chinese idioms. This is your first one. 马到功成. Let me share with you a picture that I have which describes this. So there you are. This is a horse. And the words there says 马到功成. But it is written in very cursive form, so it is very hard to read. Now let's put everything together. From me to you, 春节快乐，新年快乐。我祝你身体健康，我祝你马到功成。我祝你春节快乐。I wish you a happy festival. I wish you a happy spring festival. 我祝你新年快乐。I wish you a happy new year. 我祝你身体健康。I wish you good health. 我祝你马到功成。I wish you quick success in this year of the horse. And if you're learning Chinese from zero, I also want to say this to you. 我祝你学习顺利。I wish your studies to go smoothly. Now I have a small invitation for you. In the comments, try writing one sentence using 祝你，我祝你 I wish you. For example, 我祝你春节快乐 or 我祝你马到功成. Then tell me, where are you watching from and what do you want most to achieve in this new year in your Chinese learning? More tone confidence, more everyday conversation, or understanding characters more clearly? This channel is still growing step by step, and just like 春夏秋冬, learning Chinese also has seasons, sometimes fast, sometimes slow. But if you practice a little every day, your horse, will keep moving forward. 马到功成. So once again from my heart, 春节快乐，新年快乐，我祝你身体健康，学习顺利，马到功成. I will be starting my series 2, lessons 11 to 20 very soon. See you in the next lesson.